All right, so part 2 of this little form series. As usual, we're going to start with our base form, which is just this form right here. And we're going to go ahead and copy it to our next form. So let's copy the base form. And now we're going to make a form called multiple states form. Multiple states form. So let's go ahead and call that multiple states form. Multiple states form. Let's go bring it into our app. So right here, multiple states form. So as the name suggests, we're going to use multiple states. And this is a very classic way I've seen to make forms when you're first learning React. So multiple states form, so we're going to have multiple states. So let's create a state for every single one of our inputs. So const email set email is equal to useState. Bring in useState from React. And we'll start off with what we want the default value to be, which is empty string. Const, let's just do this 5 more times. Const username, password, color, and bio. So let's make these capitals. And we're also going to make the color not empty string but red, because that's a select element. Okay, and now let's go ahead into every input, and we have to give it 2 things. We have to give it a value and an on change. So the value is itself, and the on change goes as follows. E where set email, so we don't need the brackets here, just set email e.target.value. And we basically repeat that for every input. And let's go ahead and do that. So username, set username, password, set password, color. I think here we do not want the default value. So let's just remove it. And then we'll have color, set color, save, and last but not least the bio, which is a text area. This will be bio, set bio. Okay, so now we have a, what's going on here? Compose tree control, set bio. Let's refresh, see if something wrong. Okay, it looks fine. So now on our submit handler, well, again, we'll create a on submit, handle submit, and then we'll go ahead and create that function. Const handle submit. Take in our event. React.form event, HTML form element. And let's go ahead and log everything. So e.prevent default, so it doesn't refresh. Event. Prevent default. And then go to const, let's just build an object we can use. Form data is equal to email, username, password, color, and bio. And then console.log form data. Save. So let's go ahead and try it again. So we have, so let's put something random. Let's do hat at example.com. Hat. We'll do blue. We'll do this is a hat. Submit. And there we go. We have our values here. I'm also using an extension called Console Ninja, which will log inside the terminal, which is very helpful. We can see it right here in the DevTools console here. And if you want to reset, this is where multiple states kind of gets annoying with the reset. So we have to do something like this for every single input. Let's be a little fancier. Let's create a function called reset form. Put it right underneath. So const reset form is equal to, this is very unnecessary to put in a separate form function, but why not? So set email back to an empty string, set username back to an empty string, set the password back to an empty string, set the color to red, and then set the, should be a semicolon, and set text area, set bio to Okay, let's give it a shot and submit, and everything's reset. So that's how I can reset. That's how we can use multiple states to get the form data. On to the next video.